Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at conversion of sorts, from their single form to their simplest form. Okay, that's basically what we are looking at today. So we have an example here: convert the following sorts to their simplest form: root 8, root 12, and so on. Now, the basic idea behind this is this. Okay, you must understand the concept of perfect squares. Okay, what are perfect squares? Perfect squares are numbers gotten from the product of two similar numbers. Okay, for example, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 is a perfect square, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, 16, and so on. Okay, so now let's go. So for the first one, we have root 8. So the thing is, you have to think of two numbers that will give you 8 when you multiply, whereby one of them must be a perfect square. So the only two numbers that will give you 8, whereby one of them is a perfect square, is 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, that's what you do. Then this is the same thing as root 4 times root 2, all right, which is 2, because square root of 4 is 2 times root 2, and 2 times root 2 is going to give you 2 root 2. Okay, so this becomes the simplest form of root 8. All right, same thing goes with the second one. Here we'll have root 12. Okay, so the only two numbers that will give us 12 when we multiply, whereby one of them is a perfect square, is 4 times 3. Although 6 times 2 gives 12, but we can't use that because neither 6 nor 2 is a perfect square. So root 12 is going to give us root 4 multiplied by 3, which is the same thing as root 4 times root 3, which will give us root 4 is 2 times root 3. So 2 times root 3 is going to give us 2 root 3. Okay, so that becomes the simplest form of root 12. Then the same thing goes with root 32, which is the C part. Okay, I'm trying to be brief. So root 32 is going to give us root. The only two number that will give us 32 is 16 times 2. Okay, yes, 16 is a perfect square. So this is going to give us root 16 times, root 2. So what's the square root of 16 now? 4 multiplied by root 2. Okay, so 4 times root 2 is going to give us 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 becomes the simplest form of, root 32. Okay, so then let's quickly look at root 50, and then root 75. So for D, we have root 50. So root 50 is going to give us a square root of 25 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is going to give us root 25, all right, times root 2, and that is going to give us 5 times root 2, which is equals to 5 root 2. Okay, so that becomes the simplest form. Then lastly, we have root 75, all right. So this is going to give us square root of 25 times 3. Okay, so and this is going to give us root 25 times root 3, and that is 5 times root 3, and that's going to give us 5 root 3. So that's basically how to convert sorts from their single form to their simplest form. All right, so do wait to click on the subscribe button and follow me for more videos like this. Bye.